something wrong with it.
I
If y'all
think power steering.
Mine was not.
The gray hair guy.
Oh, and then Jonathan and Daniel couldn't catch up with the SOE.
Yeah, we got stuck behind some little girls.
Those girls were trying to like pass.
Hey, it didn't stop us from passing Leah though. That's all I have to say. We passed all over Leah.
Hey,
Oh,
my
goodness.
steering wheel was messed up.
Oh, please.
And they wouldn't stop getting out of our way. We
Hey,
could have
those little
passed
girls-
Everybody.
Yeah, these dirty dick girls were like, I didn't
These
want to
little
make them
girls
cry.
thought they could pass me. They were like, ha ha ha. And then I went.
We were almost in the middle of a huge car wreck. I could have used that opportunity to pass them, but I didn't want to be kicked out. I'm busy. Filming this thing. Any other post race reflections from anyone?
Nobody caught me.
Because you were on the.
Daniel, what do you have to, what do you have to say about the race?
We failed.
Did we fail or did we pass Leah?
well, we passed Leah and
Yeah,
one
but
other.
y'all
How much
did
food is
quit
Dad supposed to give them?
Talking.
How do I say it? Because
What do you have to say, Mantis?
Y'all were talking, but not walking the walk.
Oh.
Mom,